I'm Anna Willemstein.
And I'm Lisa Hedrick.
We're with Mountaineer Realty.
Welcome to our newest listing. We're here on Hidden Lane in Crawford, Tennessee.
If I were going to choose 3 words to describe this property, it would be developed, convenient, and beautiful.
Fresh gravel drives connect several sections of this 10.86 acre property. And just listen to what these homeowners have done to develop this ultimate Hills of Tennessee property. Here's a little history on this piece of land. Back in 2021, 2 smaller parcels of land were merged into almost 11 acres of absolute outdoor heaven. The 900 square foot basement was fully finished with architectural drop ceilings, flooring, drywall, the works, including a half bathroom and 2 large rooms that walk out to a gorgeous outdoor sitting area. This property also has a large fire pit and an RV site with a second already installed septic system. For a potential second cabin or a bunkhouse that's a good distance away from the main cabin, several overgrown acres of this property have been cleared and beautified, with a lovely wooden fence at the front of the property. Let me tell you, these homeowners have spent countless days and weeks taking this land from raw potential to a beautiful acreage perfect for hosting, entertaining, and enjoying the outdoors.
This cabin gives the best of both worlds. The feeling of seclusion and being away in nature, but still reasonably accessible to shopping, restaurants, and medical. Plus, this property features public utilities like water, electric, and high-speed internet. These homeowners literally work from home. Here's a little secret. Not all cabins for sale in Tennessee are like that. Monterey, which is right off of I-40, is only a 15-mile drive from this cabin. Monterey is a charming little town that features some shopping and some great local restaurants. 15 to 20 minutes more down the road from Monterey is Cookeville. Cookeville provides hospital, shopping, restaurants, Sam's Club, pretty much anything you could want or need. And then from there in Cookeville, just to give you a little bit of an idea, Knoxville is a little over an hour away and Nashville is less than 2 hours away. We could tell you all about how beautiful this property is.
But sometimes a picture
is worth 1,000 words.